Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our vehicle brake system lecturer Professor Madya Dr. Muhammad Zahir bin Hassan. Today we will talk about our lab 2 master cylinder inspection, removal and refitting. My name is Muhammad AZAHAR bin Muhammad Noor with my team member NADZIRAH binti MUHSIN, Muhammad NABIIL bin NOOR HISHAM, Muhammad QAYYUM bin Muhammad FUAD and finally AHMAD NUKMAN bin JAMALUDIN. So let's start.
So we will check push rod and before and after using vernier clipper. Reservoir. Here we have breakthrough reservoir cap. The underneath is diaphragm. It is still in good condition because it is still soft and we actually can pull it out. So based on this, there is no tear or broken parts. And then the underneath, the inside of the brake reservoir, we have fluid. This fluid will go upward if the brake fluid are full, but it will go downward if the brake fluid are less or have no brake fluid at all. So the underneath fluid, we have a magnet, and this magnet will contact with the level sensor if the brake fluid are less than requirement. So the sensor will send the signal to the dashboard and give knowing to the driver that they are less in brake fluid. So this is a brake fluid filter. You see an upward like this. It actually goes inside. So it filters the debris and any small particle from get inside the master cylinder. And then the underneath is master cylinder. Master cylinder.
Now we pull out the silver tank, and then we to the safety pin. Okay. After that, we open the blower rubber. So the condition for rubber is oily, and the seal is perfect. The receiver tank is good condition. Right now we open the seal ring, and then we use compressed air to open out the piston.
So we already removed the secondary and primary piston. So we have two spring here. During removal, it was quite difficult. It should be when we remove the secure pin, the piston should flung out because the pressure made by the spring. However, because the corrosion happened inside here, it got stuck and we need to knock it out. So for the O-ring, the piston is still in good condition. It feels soft, and then there is no tear or damage into it. However, the primary piston got stuck with the spring. Actually, we can remove it just easily lah, but here it got stuck because of the corrosion. So for the inner surface, I can see there is no corrosion or any groove surface. There is no groove surface. The surface is smooth. It's just the problem with the piston and spring. The spring not in good condition.
This is the secure pin. It will secure the piston in the master cylinder in its position. And in the secure pin there is O-ring. The O-ring is to prevent leak at the secure pin. If the O-ring is cracked or hard, there will be leak around the secure pin, and the master cylinder will not function properly.
First question, based on your finding, what is the effect of the push rod and length of the brake performance. The effect of the push rod and length of on brake performance is that to elevate unfavorable condition during the vehicle braking and stopping. Brake drag occur when the brake pedal is not released because the push rod is pulled up too close to the master cylinder. And the soft brake pedal occur when the push rod is too long, causing braking delay as a result to soft brake pedal. Okay, next. Second question. Name type of the brake oil used for your car. Can different type of the brake oil be used and why? Okay. Dot 3 brake oil is what I use in my automobile. Dot 3 and dot 4 brake fluid are used in almost all vehicle braking system except dot 5 brake fluid is used for high performance vehicle with high cost brake fluid like racing car, and the 4-wheel drive vehicle use high boiling point brake fluid with high dot rating. Third question. Name hydraulic tube that connect to master cylinder and where all tube are connect. You can see, and on the middle, you can see on the diagram, in middle have master cylinder and the right of master cylinder is brake pedal. Okay, they are separate for front wheel and rear wheel. You can see from the master cylinder, for front wheel they connect to steel pipe, and then both of wheel connect to visible pipe through and going to disc brake. And then for rear wheel, you can see the through visible pipe and go through both of wheel cylinder and adjustable. Okay, for fourth question, what is the function of diaphragm? So the purpose of a diaphragm is to divide two chambers by applying vacuum to one side and allowing a pressure to push on another. The forcing required to drive the push rod to the master cylinder is multiplied by the vacuum and braking force is applied. Okay, for the last thing, conclusion. In conclusion, we learn how to inseminate and reinstall master cylinder as well as how master cylinder operate in the brake system. The master cylinder is integral component of the braking system that is controlled by the braking pedal and convert brake pedal pressure to hydraulic pressure by pumping brake into system. That's all. Thank you.